Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to set a maximum order amount from a specific collection in Shopify. Using the total amount condition, you can easily set a maximum order amount for products from a specific collection, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the total amount condition. So first, we'll search for total amount in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. For this video, we will choose the Essential one, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Total Amount. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we set Total Amount to block if more than to $500. Then we select Selected Products and choose Collections. Finally, we include the Bear collection. This means customers can order up to $500 from the Bear collection to place an order. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, please add up to the maximum of $500 item from Bear collection in your cart. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because items worth more than $500 have been added from the Bear collection, which does not meet the maximum order requirement. Customers will still be able to click the Pay button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's go back to the cart page and reduce the total amount to the maximum allowed. Then proceed to the checkout page, and as you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!